I don't want to see you again in my house. What's your problem? See, I am not your mate. You don't even look like my type. No, look at you now. Just take a look at yourself. You look so tattered. You look so unkept. You know what? Avoid me. Avoid me. I don't ever see you again. You look sweet. Oh my god. I never knew you this good. Oh my god.
I was on my way to your house actually.
Let's go now.
No. But I'm not here for plenty talk. I'm here to take you to First Empire here in Asaba.
First Empire, I've heard of that place. I've not been there.
First Empire has the biggest and the most luxurious nightclub here in Asaba.
Really?
They also have a fine dining and an ultra-modern swimming pool.
Seriously?
This is where big boys come to relax, cool off themselves, and enjoy life, spend money. So, are you in or not?
I'm in. But my family and I, we're traveling tomorrow. I want to leave this country. Fine. I promise you something, eh? If you take me to First Empire, I will give all to you.
This man! Alright, let me pick up my ATM card from the house so we can go.
Can I go with you? So we can.
You are a mumu man! You be mumu.
Where's Sonia?
Don't you have a gate man?
I have two gate men. Aproko!
See, Oga, stop knocking. It's obvious this is not your house now. Or you're squatting with someone.
I know now, this is my house now. This is my house.
See, I hate it when people take me for granted. How am I not sure this clothes you borrowed them? What's this? Hello? Where are you? You just picked me up at Lodo Estate right now. Now! What nonsense is this? Keep me under the sun here, telling me this is your house. What bitch?
Jesus!
Hello, you called me to pick you up.
Yes, I did. See, no, just take me home, please. This is nonsense. What about this hot sun? See, if you ever come and know back again, I don't... Go punish you.
Oga, I better no vessel. I go buy bread.
What?
I go buy bread. I no vessel.
Aproko!
They never show you
I go buy bread.
Nigeria.
Where's Sonia?
Nigeria is not your
Oga, no, I dey Aproko.